Welcome to my channel again. Today we're going to make avocado cucumber egg sandwich, a lovely breakfast sandwich in Jamaica. We have it's delicious. Start by cutting up the pairing segment, almost like wedge like, cutting quarter four. Then take out the middle core. As you can see, you got a paper like substance, and you got to remove. This is fresh avocado, organic from Jamaica. As you can see in here, we have taken out very easily. It's a very pick of the end and easily come out. See, not too hard. Ready to be cut in flan. Gotta use one piece actually for today for only this sandwich. The next gotta use for the next sandwich as well. Avocado, peel off the skin, it's come off very easily. Once it's ripen, it remove very easily. Fresh avocado, very good, because you can see the skin, you can see like it's buttery, come off on my hand due to the fat content of the avocado. See, very easy to slice. It's ripe, see, very easy. It's not overly ripe, but it's fairly ripe actually. Could have been less ripe, and it could be eaten as well, but it could have been no more less ripe, because it would have been too hard to eat. This is a perfect texture for your avocado. So flatten them out and start by preparing a pan at this moment for the egg. Bring this pan up to medium heat with a little butter, followed by oil, not to make the butter burn. As butter melts, butter follow with oil. The oil could go in first, either working the way, just to not make it burn. The butter molecules usually burn because it consists of water and fat, so the solids, sorry about that, it is solid and fat, and the solids could burn and vapor the liquid. So you see here, I got pure liquid here. This butter is come out in the foam, as you can see here. So that's when it start to get a little more hotter. I'm gonna add my egg that I'm cracking. I got my egg. You can add it over with the yolk. This did not turn out very well for me. However, I still feel it a virtue force. You don't feel see that eggshell. I'm gonna take it. We all feel in cooking is a broad process, but still get a delicious food. Um, Egg moist, everything is okay. Look at that yellow, white, not organic. It's pasteurized egg at this moment. It's not very fresh, so easy on the way that I have cracked it on the surface. Cause egg to break the yolk. If I had cracked in the egg on a flat surface, it would have been a pure yolk and egg white separated. However, with the crack on the surface, see the oil, the timing for the pot not to stick. I could shake this egg. Imagine if I have not heated the pot, you would not have had this consistent of motion in the pot. As you can see here, it's very not too hot, but hot enough not to scorch egg, but to keep it, just to cook it. As you can see, not too much coloration on the egg here. So perfect heat, medium temperature for this egg could do. The second has a bubbling, salt and pepper to season. Optional for the salt, but the pepper is not a must needed. Optional, or up to your preference of taste, but pepper work very well for it, because I'm going to be having the avocado and I want to have it a bit fresh, Click that tape again. That's done. Look at that. Perfect. Not too much sour malt. Little pepper again to flavor something up. See, egg is bubbling. It's ready, but it's a little more. See, time to add the toast now in the same fat that I've been rendering the egg to get maximum flavor. So on both sides, it's very crispy as you not very senior or one side is crispy and the other side actually, as you know, test it with a knife and you see it's very crispy here. Listen to crisp crunchy bread. Start by laying the cucumber on the bread as it is. Nothing, no mayo, nothing. The egg is going to act as a condiment, moisturizing agent. See, let's follow in here. Balance perfectly. As you can see, sandwich is almost ready. For the front of thick, chunky avocado, healthy omega for the skin is beautiful. Followed by the egg, texture beautiful. This is a nice starter for the day for breakfast. Followed by the egg. See, so beautiful. Not perfect either, but it's beautiful. So not perfection, but there's something that tastes good. Trust me. Look at that. The color, that slicing. As you can see here, very easy avocado breakfast sandwich that you can have on the go. Very easy. Once you have avocado and you can substitute a cucumber for tomato or both. I never had none and let me try it. Very good. See? That's good. Try this easy recipe. This is how I have it. You may try this with a banana with a sandwich. That's the way I start my day. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what's going on. It's a beauty. Prepare for more dish like this. Mix cuisine, cooking, and all more. Thank you.